Here I have LG K8 2017, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the sound and notifications, and here you can find Do Not Disturb. You can switch this mode here. You can also change some of its settings. For example, you can change its sounds and vibrations. You can enable total silence, or you can enable priority only and add some priority events. You can set up end time of this mode, like after which time it will turn off automatically. You can also select these priority events. For example, you can enable app notifications, you can enable calls from no one, from everyone, from contacts, or from favorite contacts. There's also an option repeat calls. If the same person calls you second time within a 15-minute period, this call will not be silenced too. The same goes to messages. You can also set up a schedule for this mode. You can change schedule name. You can select days on which it will be active. You can select end time, start time, end time. So yeah, and that's it. That's all the settings of the Do Not Disturb mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.